Hello honeycrunchers, I am Jham and welcome to honeycrunch321. My inspiration for today's nail art is the adorable racer in the movies Wreck-It Ralph and Ralph Breaks the Internet, Vanellope Von Schweetz. Okay, so for my next nail, I'll be doing one of the patterns on Vanellope's pants. So I'm using this stepping plate to form an equally spaced diagonal lines. I'm using a dotting tool to remove some of the lines to make each gap a bit wider. Then after that, I stamped it onto my mint green base. Now I'm using a white acrylic paint and a liner brush to make the lines thicker. Now for my middle nail, I'll be doing the other pattern. I'm starting off by adding lines on my mint green base. Then I'm filling them with white. Then let it to dry completely. After that, I stamp 3 violet lines on the middle of each white lines. Then for my ring nail, I'll be painting Vanellope. I'm starting off by painting a white circular shape on the edge of my nail. Then I'm painting the hair with black. Then I created the face part with a cream color. Then I added a white ribbon-like shape on Vanellope's hair. Then paint it with pink. Then I added white dots on her hair. Then paint it with bright colors. Then for my thumb and pinky nail, I painted some shapes, dots, and squiggly lines with white. Then apply some bright or neon colors over it. After letting them all to dry completely, apply your favorite top coat. And there you have it! I hope you enjoyed today's video. I really love how it turned out. If you want to suggest nail art tutorials, just leave them on the comment section below. If you want to see more pictures, follow me on Instagram. Never forget to subscribe, hit like, and share this video to your awesome friends. And that's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!